If you want to customize the lock screen on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to open settings. Then in the settings we need to scroll down to find wallpaper, and then here we can tap on customize on the lock screen. So let's tap customize, and as you can see we can start customizing our lock screen. We can tap on the date in order to choose a different widget. We can tap on the clock as well in order to customize it, and we can tap add widgets in order to add more stuff. Let's say I'm gonna add this thing. I'm gonna also go to fitness in order to add something like this, and so on and so forth. Of course, we can also customize buttons at the bottom of the screen if needed. You can tap on these three dots in order to extend the wallpaper or show the photo in library. We can enable and disable the live photo if we actually use live wallpaper, and if it's disabled we can also set up black and white filter, duotone, where we can also choose a different color, or color wash. And we can tap on this icon on the left side in order to open the gallery and choose a different photo that we want to use for the lock screen. Once we are done, press done in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!